Alright guys, today we're here out at the range with my currently unloaded Ruger SP101. It has the 2 1/4 inch barrel. I bought this used. It came with Packmeyer grips, and I put on a Mepro light front sight, glow in the dark, rails milled in to the actual frame. You push this in, not forward or back, straight in, open up the cylinder. It's very solid. Locks in the back, it also locks in the front. There's a little tab right here, locks in this groove. It's very solid lock up. It's built like a tank. So we're going to do some shooting. And this is chambered in 357 Magnum, which also I can fire 38 specials. I think they also made them in 327 Federal, 22 long rifle eventually, and 9x19. Yeah. Also today I'm shooting the Remington 357 mag 150 grain semi-wad cutter. That's about all they had. Targets. Kind of hard to get ammo nowadays. And my local store hasn't had any 357 in over a year, and they finally got some in, so I snagged a box or two. And here we go. Let's do some shooting. This gun shoots a little high, so I gotta aim a little high. This gun does come in pretty hefty, 25.5 ounces unloaded. She's a tank though. She will shoot any 357 Magnums you can throw at it, plus 38 special, and of course 38 special plus P. Alright guys, thanks for watching the C&B Experience. If you like what you saw, hit that button, hit that red button down there. Thank you. See you next time.